Hey everybody, Steve Gardner with eXp Realty. Just here to give you a few tips on KVcore. And this is for any realtors, eXp realtors, or any other brokerages or realtors that are using KVcore. It's included with eXp in our monthly fee, but there are some folks that are out there using this. And there's a tip here that I want to share with everybody. I think is real important. A lot of people don't even know is there, haven't even tried it. So here we go. Number one, you want to make sure that you have the KVcore extension. I'm using Chrome, and what's wonderful about Chrome is that there are these nifty little extensions, and you can go to the Chrome store, and these are things that are added on to Chrome, and they're integrated. KVcore has one. So what you can do is you can go to Google like this and go to Google Chrome store. Chrome extensions. Let's see if it shows up that way. There you go. And then just type in KVcore. And I'm going to show you what you do with this in a second. It's real easy. Mine's installed, but if you were to do this in your Google Chrome, it would say install it. You click on it, it installs it, it adds it as a Chrome extension up here. So now what it's going to do is integrate some things that that we use in KVcore that are important. So let me exit this out. I'm going to show you how this works. A lot of people probably don't know this, but this is really cool. This is another powerful tool with KVcore. So let's go to listings. Okay. Now I'm going to pick. I could pick one of these other ones that's not mine, but I'm going to pick one of mine just to do an example. Don't want to accidentally post someone else's listing. You got to ask permission before you start doing that sort of stuff. Well, this is also neat too, guys. Here's Boost Property. I'll go into that some other time. But Facebook, that links right into Facebook and will boost it for you and gives you some great lead generation for cheap. All right, 62 Shoreline Drive. Okay, when you click on this in your KVcore in the back end, it's going to show you basically the general information about the listing once it pulls up. Okay, the usual stuff. You've got your pictures and your map and all this kind of stuff. And this is what customers are going to see when they go to your website or they click on it. Also, here's your direct link. You know, you can copy and paste this, drop it into Facebook. And that will generate some leads. But this is really cool. A lot of people don't see these three little dots right here. Click on that. This is so awesome. So I'm going to move me over. Get out of the way. You can send this listing via text. You can email it to a hashtag, a particular buyer. Let's say you have riverfront property people that you have contacts that you've been working with that are interested in riverfront property or on the Spruce Creek. Boom, I can send it to them. I can text it to them. I can generate a QR code, a print flyer, do the boost to Facebook, post to Facebook, Twitter, all these things. Boom, with just a few clicks. This is the really cool one. If you install a KVcore, and I'm not going to post this to Facebook, to Craigslist, but you can, and I do this. If you install that KVcore extension, watch this. You click on it. Watch this, guys. Done. It does everything with one click. Now I can immediately post this, publish it right here, boom, to Craigslist. Okay? I'm not going to do that, but right there, and that is right here. These three dots have all those things. A lot of people don't, they overlook them. Don't know what this does. Click on that. Have some fun with it. You can do a lot of different things. Anyway, I hope you found this useful and helpful. Please, I'm going to be uploading this into YouTube. If you find this, I'm going to be doing these things all the time. You can subscribe to my channel on YouTube, and I will post a link to that, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks. Take care. Bye.